Hello and welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando. So this is the bus stop down here. We're going to start down with the bus stop. Now, pretty much everywhere around this resort, um, there's music, as Hard Rock would imply. So it does mean you might not be able to hear it. But let's have a little look around. Okay, let's go up some stairs first. There is a lift. If you've got a wheelchair, pushchair, that kind of thing, that's fine. Also, go to different part of the building. So lift comes up there. That says come here. And then a load of strollers, especially with rental ones. Yeah. So when you get dropped off with your transfer, which most of you book with us, get a transfer to the hotel, get dropped off here, and then luggage team will come out and help you with that. So let's head into Bruno Mars, Dracula Elvis. So lots of memorabilia. Oh, and a shop as well. So this is the main reception. Let's go and have a look at the pool outside. So one thing's a bit different at this hotel is compared to the other, it's like Portofino, is that there is one big pool as opposed to having, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me over this man hyping up the crowd. Move the microphone up slightly, there we go. So it has one big pool as opposed to having smaller pools. So that does mean they're having fun about Disney and things like that. Anyway, so it does mean that if you just want to chill out and relax with not much noise, it's not really the kind of place for it out here because you've got lots of noise. There is a slide as well. It is a really cool pool, to be fair. Lots of places to, and you can see, I mean, it's a nice hot summer's day, and there are still loads of load of them around here as well. Which they look hugely comfortable with that. I'd definitely put some towels down. There are towels when you get down there. You can go and pick up the towels. There's a water station down there as well. I think he's giving away drinks in the competition. Bar down there, that kind of stuff. Let's go inside the hotel. Actually, yeah, let's go back inside. Oh.
Johnny Cash, that's the most expensive piece of memorabilia.
Oh, really?
But you got some big stuff. Lenny Kravitz, Prince's jacket.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What time is this place? This is a
5 o'clock every day.
5 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, 5 to 2. John Lennon's boots.
Oh, wow.
You want to see how skinny Bon Jovi is right over the corner?
Yeah.
He's a small guy.
Oh wow, he is skinny, isn't he?
Yeah.
Like 2 of his legs are the same as one of mine.
Probably in his
I was gonna say, yeah, he looks quite young in these photos, doesn't he? Maybe now he's
I
a
saw him at the Knicks game in New York
yeah.
last week.
Oh
They
really?
won the conference finals.
Oh wow.
They're playing his songs and just panning it.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying when they're playing your song and you go, and what about if it's a song you don't even like? What about if it's one of your songs, but it's one of those songs that you think, I hear this every night for the last 25 years, I'm fed up with it.
I don't know. Most of the bands I talk to, it's like a
Yeah.
compliment.
Okay, yeah.
And you know they continue to get paid for every time.
Yeah, of course they do, yeah, so they're loving it.
They're good with it.
Is there a happy hour in this bar or anything like that?
So no, there is a happy hour at the Palm from 4 to 6 every day.
Oh, okay.
Probably the best happy hour actually in the whole campus.
Yeah.
So it's like $7 beers, $8 wines, cocktails are like $9.
Oh, that's not too bad. And then there's a brunch here on Sunday. And
Yeah, acoustic brunch in the kitchen from 10:30
In the kitchen?
to 2, yeah.
Okay.
So live music and quite the spread.
Oh, okay. Excellent. All
And
right.
that includes limited, bottomless bloodies and mimosas. But
Yeah.
you can do that every day down there during breakfast for
Oh.
$25 more. And like you want to start the day.
Well, yeah. Saturday as you mean to go on.
Yeah, well, like bloodies, mimosas, they'll make screwdrivers, vodka.
Well, bloody mimosa. At least you know it's tomato in it, so you know it's healthy at least, kind of vaguely kind of healthy
Sure,
at least.
that's like
Yeah. Yeah, when you go, okay, well that's part of your
But
you have that and
tell
the
you,
fruit.
a mimosa will cost like $13 alone.
Yeah,
So if you're gonna have 3, then you might as well.
you might as well have those. Yeah,
Yeah, it's kind of like a.
it's a bit of a no-brainer, isn't it?
I tell you, and then for like dinner wise, there's a 3-course meal in the kitchen at night, and they're like mouth feed. It includes there's a fillet option.
Yeah.
So it's called the tasting tour. There's a right when you walk to the elevators. There's the menu right there.
Oh, all right, cool.
We gotta.
Did you
come in and want to check it out?
do you do food in this bar as well? Or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Let's have a look at them,
We
maybe.
got everything from duck fat hot dogs to
Duck fat hot dogs.
caviar. Yeah, so we fly those in. Chicken wings. It's like
Duck fat French fries as well. Wow.
yeah, those are addictive. It's not. I say to people, it's not even fair.
Wow.
All right, what am
A margarita. Oh, nice. Bayou balls as well.
Yeah, even at the pool, if you're a beer drinker or a seltzer drinker, get the bucket, basically buy 5 get 1 free.
Okay, yeah, so that makes sense in that. Oh, nice. Well, thank you for showing me around. I shall leave you in peace to.
My name's Ken.
I'm Martin.
I'm the director of F&B around here, so.
Oh, okay.
You're both in the right. You want to talk to me about it?
Cool, excellent. Right, nice meeting you.
Pleasure.
Take it easy.
You too.
Cheers. Bye. There you go. Have a look in the bar. I think we should. So that's the Velvet Bar. So let's go and have a look at the kitchen. So one of the main reasons to stay here is, of course, the Express Pass. So Express Pass gives you, if you're staying here, it gives you unlimited Express Pass in Universal Studios, Florida, and also most rides in Islands of Adventure. It now does not include Hagrid's because they've taken Express Pass away. So you can't even buy it. So there we go. It does not work at all in Epic Universe. So don't think about, if you're going to Epic, if you're staying here, it won't work in Epic. Let's go down. Now, a couple of things, what I would say is, if you, it's the marketplace.
Can we get to the park?
Yeah.
They also have like an actual menu.
There we go. So, and alcohol as well.
Like they have chicken tenders.
Kitchen set here, isn't it? So, back to those express passes. With Express Pass, I said it's unlimited on all the rides in Universal Studios Florida, it's the original park, and all the rides except for Hagrid's in Islands of Adventure, and none of the rides in Epic Universe. So, and it's from the check-in to check-out. So check-in day to check-out day. So if you're here for 2 nights, you're here for 3 days, so you get 3 days. Now, what I do kind of recommend, personally, because Epic isn't included, if you're going to do Epic, which you need at least 2 days to do Epic, my advice would be to stay here for 1 or 2 nights and then transfer down to one of the Epic hotels, so Stella Nova, Terra Luna, or Helios. So those would be my suggestions. So you see that they've got artwork everywhere around the hotel. I'm going to go out now to the wall section. I'm going to give you some quick information. So, said Hard Rock is a really cool hotel. You do get those express passes, but it is for everything except for Hagrid's and also anything at Epic Universe. So, if you don't mind packing things up, then my personal thing is to do a couple of nights here or one of the other premium hotels, and then Helios or Stella Nova, something like that. Now there are, to get to the theme parks, really easy to get to Epic, you just jump on a bus, nice and easy, that's for the buses at the front. To get to Islands of Adventure, City Walk, and Universal Studios Florida, you can either walk, it's the easiest thing, it doesn't take too long, you're looking at under 5 minutes to walk. There is a bus, sometimes it rains, but to be honest, it will take you longer to walk to the bus than it will do to actually walk back, so I don't quite understand why anyone would do that. Or there's also a water taxi, which I'm going to show you now as well. Now, if you're unsure, if it all sounds a bit kind of like complicated and things like that, just get in touch with us. We're orlandoinsider.co.uk, and we'll match you up with one of our Orlando gurus, and it'll be their job to look after you all the way through, from when you first start looking all the way through until you get home. So we really do kind of look after you. You've got things like Ride Alert, which is going to text you and let you know when the wait times drop or if a ride reopens, because that's the absolute best time to get onto anything. That works really well in Epic, but also even when you've got unlimited express passes, it's still useful for one for Epic and also for Hagrid as well. But also it's really useful to know if a ride's come back up again, because if you want to go on Velocicoaster, but it's down because there's thunder and lightning in the area, you want to know when it's reopened. So you set yourself an alert and then you can go there and you'll be one of the first people back into the queue, which is really, really good. Pretty much covered everything you kind of need to know. For room types, that kind of stuff, there are club rooms as well. The good thing about having express passes is you don't need to spend quite as much time in the parks. Also, you do get early theme park entry. Now, so the only thing it's kind of worth early theme park entry for is, of course, Hagrid's. The other rides, you might as well just, to be honest, use them on Express Pass. Unless it's your first morning, you know, your last morning, sorry, and you're heading off to Disney afterwards or something else like that, then yeah, kind of go and do that. But it does mean you get into Wizarding World of Harry Potter early. The big one is that you can get into Epic Universe an hour early as well, which is the same for all of the Universal theme parks. So I hope you've answered most of your questions. So please get in touch if you want to find out more or quickly show you the boats. So get in touch if you want to find out more. It's orlandoinsider.co.uk. All the links are in the show notes. This is where you do security to get into, or to go on the water taxi that will take you up to Universal Studios, Lands of Adventure, and City Walk. Just jump on a boat here. For now, have a wonderful day.